Sandy friends, thanks for joining us again. I wanted to share with you our compost sifter. And so it's a really simple design. And basically it's just a wooden frame with some wire and another wooden frame on a wheelbarrow. Let me show you what we do with this. So we have our potatoes in our compost sifter, and we're gonna show you how we sift our potatoes out of our compost sifter. It is in the evening, and so it's a Saturday night. It's in November and it's around 70 degrees. There's a lot of people outside. We're right by our property edge. I still want to show you this, so it might be a little bit loud. I'm going to take you down here and have you focus in on what we just dug out of our dirt. So this is a rotten potato, and it's pieces that helped us grow this. So what I do is I wait until my potato starts to look like this, and that's how you know they're ready to harvest. So I follow that down to the ground, and then I dig, and then I put all the dirt around it in this compost sifter. And then I can use this to sift out our potatoes. So go ahead and start sifting that dirt through. And then once I'm all done, my potatoes will be left on top. We didn't have that many potatoes in here, but the point to show you is that we use this compost sifter to do a lot of different things. We sift our compost. Sometimes potatoes grow in the compost. We also sift potatoes out of our garden. We use this if we're sifting out weeds. I also use this to dry herbs and flowers on the screen here, right over top of the wheelbarrow. Also use this to sift our vermicompost, so I'll have to give you another video about that. Alright, so let me show you these potatoes. This is what we've got here. We're going to go wash these off, and then the point of this video is to show you our compost sifter. And so my husband made this. Right now we have it clamped onto this wheelbarrow. This is our old wheelbarrow, but it fits our other wheelbarrow, so we're gonna make the frame a more permanent fix for our new wheelbarrow. But let me show you this in a whole. It has 3 wheels on this side, 3 wheels on that side, and then it's got the metal grate here with some screws holding that on. My husband can tell you better. So this is the sifter, and then this is the frame. And so the ridges here hold the wheels on. It's kind of like a little track. And as you're sifting, you want to make sure you keep the dirt out of the tracks, because the dirt gets stuck in the wheels. But it's a really good design. We found this design on Pinterest and it's worked out really well for us. So you just throw it in there, line the wheels in the track, and it can't come out a track on either side. You only need the tracks on one side. And when it's full, there's your wheelbarrow sifter, compost sifter. So that's it, folks. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, please subscribe and stay handy, friends.